the right pedal.
Grandma wanted to play for y'all.
Oh, I done got lost. I can do better than that.
You're doing good, Grandma.
Oh, I done forgot that.
Grandma.
I've run out of things.
Well, thank you. Thank you so much. You have a message you want to end with?
Huh?
You want to end with a message?
Oh, my playing is poor, but I still enjoy the playing.
Well, we enjoy listening to you. I wouldn't say it's poor at all. You can't see, and you're going by feel and your ears.
I guess I used to be pretty good because I've played for about all the churches in Covington County.
Well, there you go. You used to be pretty good, and you're still pretty good, actually, I
The
think.
Baptist
You're better
and the
than me.
Methodist, and I even went to your church
Did
one
you?
time and
Really?
played.
All right. Just share the love with everybody. All right. Well, we love you, Grandma.
Oh, I love y'all. Y'all take care this week.
Bye-bye. Hey, everyone.
Hello. Hey there. I'm full. I just had supper.
Ooh, MawMaw fixed us a feast today, didn't she?
Not me.
She had.
I asked her who all was she looking for when...
We all came to eat. She made ham and rice and butter beans and peas and deviled eggs and garlic bread and roasted veggies, and I don't remember. The list just kept going on. And when I looked, I was like, my goodness, she's feeding all of us.
And we had pound cake. Had all we could eat.
That's right. Just ate on it a second time, huh? If we wasn't full the first time at lunch, we ate again tonight. But you sure have enjoyed everybody being at your house today, huh?
Yes, I have. I love to have all my children to come home. In fact, I love for anybody, friends, to come visit with me.
That's sweet. They love hearing from you. I don't know that I posted last week's video. If not, I'm going to have to get a spanking, Grandma. I'll have to add it to this one. Oops. I don't know if I did or not, but I had 2 people ask me how you're doing, so it makes me think I must not have posted a video. Oops. We did a couple of cooking videos with Caitlin, so I may have gotten off of my schedule because I normally post you first of the week, but oops, I think I did. I'm sorry. They'll get 2 messages from you this week. Well, so how many church services did you watch this morning?
I believe it was 4.
Okay, got 4 this time. Do you have a message for them?
Well, every one of them had a different message, but they were all good. They were all pertaining to something we can apply to our own lives.
That's right.
In order that we might live better lives.
That's right. We all need to do that, don't we?
Sure do.
Well, do you have a message for them?
Well, it's been a good day. And the Lord loves you, and He cares about you. And all you got to do is call on Him and ask Him. And He will give you relief, but it'll be His way, not yours.
That's true. Absolutely. Well,
I've come through some illnesses, some I didn't think I'd come through, but for some reason or other, the Lord seen me through them.
well, because you help a lot of people right now. You get a message out to a lot of people that are uplifted by your message. Never too old to help other people, huh?
That's right. That's right.
Y'all have a wonderful week.
Yes, you do.
Let's see if I can back it out far enough you can see us both. I shared little Cooper on video the other night when we were cooking.
Uh-huh.
Now, Rona, he wasn't giving up the dinosaurs. Papa bought him some not Papa, Travis bought him some dinosaurs to add to the collection. And it looked like my living...
He had his mind on that.
Exactly. It looked like the whole living room. I don't even know that you could see any wood flooring. It looked like a dinosaur explosion in there, but...
I sure have missed seeing them today.
Yeah, they're getting to spend time with the other grandparents. So... Anyway, we've been blessed this time around to get to visit a lot longer, huh?
Yes, yes.
So, no complaints here. Y'all have a wonderful week.
Yes, do. Yes, do.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello.
Hi. How are y'all today?
I'm having my supper.
She's got some... cabbage and
some kind of cabbage casserole, but it's good.
Beef and cabbage casserole. It was good. I had some. So, do you have a message for them this week, Grandma?
Just remember that whatever comes or whatever goes, God is in the healing power. And He's always there. All you've got to do is say, come in.
Just open the door, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. What words of wisdom. We love you, Grandma.
I love all of you. But most of all, God loves you.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Well, you get back to eating your casserole. I'm sorry I interrupted your dinner.
That's okay. Okay. It'll be good when I get back to it.
That's right. Y'all have a good week.
Yes, do. Do.